Your accounting team is closing the month across dozens of clients, but your checklist is in one place, your PBC requests are in another, and your partner is still asking, "What's ready for review?" Let me show you what a super agent does about that. Inside ClickUp, we built a super agent called Month End Close. It manages the recurring workflow around each close using tasks, docs, and chats that your team already works from. In this case, a new close period starts for Hawthorne Holdings. Normally, someone has to copy last month's checklist, assign the work, chase the PBC items, and remember every review step. Now, the agent creates the close task, adds the checklist, assigns the preparer and reviewer, and sets the due dates. It also references the firm's close playbook, so the right client-specific steps get applied without anyone rebuilding the same workflow every month. Then it reports back what it created, who owns it, and when partner sign-off is due. And just like that, the monthly close that used to start in a spreadsheet is set up in ClickUp in minutes. MaryU's CPA controller used ClickUp to automate the month-end close process, and this is that same idea for accounting firms. Tasks, docs, and chat, all in one AI workspace. Plus, super agents that understand how your close actually runs.